There's a new podcast series directed at farmers interested in growing pulse crops. The Montana Ag Network's Russell Nimitz brings us the details.
Well, as more farmers across our region become interested in raising pulse crops like chickpeas, peas, and lentils, the Pulse Crop Working Group saw an opportunity to reach more farmers through a new podcast series titled Growing Pulse Crops.
We got together with a group of farmers who are all members of the Northern Pulse Growers Association, as well as USA Dry Pea and Lentil Council. And we wanted to know from them, what's the best format in which to deliver, research findings, and just bring this information to a broader audience. And, to be honest, the Pulse Crops podcast wasn't even on my mind at the time. That had not even occurred to me, even though I listen to and enjoy several different podcast series. But that was something people, the farmers in particular, brought up, that they listen to podcasts, on long drives or, in the tractor. And they find that to be a really great way to listen to information.
Hosted by Tim Hammerich, the series will follow pulse crop farmers through the growing season and dive into the research that's helping them through some of the challenges they face.
We're talking about issues and decisions you're making kind of as the season goes. So the episodes are designed to be concurrent with what folks are doing during the growing season. So right now, we're talking about the pre-emergence herbicides, we're talking about seed treatment choices, and we're also visiting with growers during the series so we can bring in, folks that maybe are new to pulse crops, hear what other farmers are doing.
Now, if you'd like to receive the podcast on your cell phone, all you have to do is subscribe to the series through Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, or of course, any other podcatcher app. In Billings, Russell Nimitz, MTN News.
And to learn even more about the new podcast, you can head to growingpulsecrops.com.